Hello, hello. This is Irene with SaugaTalks. Hello, everyone. I'm extremely privileged because Eveline Ruehlin with me. Hello, Eveline. How are you?
I am great. Thank you, Irene. I'm a pleasure to be with you here.
Lovely. Such a lovely day for me today. So I just want to remind to our audience, okay? So follow SaugaTalks, okay? We want your opinion, your comments. We want your shares on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, because everything you do in your daily life, right? Anything tech related, we're covering here with my fabulous, fabulous guests who are so generous with their time, with their energy, with their experiences. They're sharing with us, the latest in artificial intelligence, automation. We're talking about industries. We're talking about blockchain, you name it, Web 3.0, Metaverse, all the cool things. And today is a fantastic topic. We said we're gonna cover fashion tech. Eveline, it's not possible to cover in 30 minutes talk, but at least let's see, right? Let's inspire people. Let's see what's cool now. So,
Yeah.
what do you see happening as a fashion tech influencer? I'm following you. Thank you for sharing wonderful resources. Fashion tech, what are the coolest things you want to mention?
Okay. Basically, first of all, what is fashion tech? Just briefly, it encapsulates everything, technology in fashion. Period. It's in manufacturing, or it's in marketing, in the supply chain. Technology is everywhere, and fashion is leading in the metaverse right now. And everybody is talking about the metaverse, and it's at the forefront. Fashion, where the first ones were in the metaverse, in buying virtual spaces on Decentraland and advertising on Roblox, actually a gaming platform, but gaming is also leading in the metaverse. But we're here to talk about fashion, and fashion and gaming go together. So there are actually games on fashion, how to dress up, and with actual avatars for children to play.
Reading fashion companies are expected to double investment in technology by 2030. Double investment. And we'll look into trends that, again, right, all the fashion leading brands right now are looking at. You mentioned Metaverse, okay? Could
Yes.
you spell for us what is the reality check there? Okay, what's real, and what's still kind of a big, shiny, inspiring toy out there?
We are still in the embryonic stages of the metaverse, and we are building it on Web3, and Web3 provides the technology for it. And we have a long way to go still with it, but these are the virtual spaces. There are quite a lot of virtual spaces already available, but we are still building it, and we're all in it together, and it's very exciting times. As far as you mentioned, will double in the cash flow. If the brands who enter now at this stage will be able to, by McKinsey, I think it's 118% will be able to, by 2030, increase their cash flow by 118%. And that's amazing. And it's definitely, the time is now to invest in AI and invest in artificial intelligence embedded in their business plan.
What about hyper-personalization? This word is hard to pronounce for me, for sure, but we as the customers and business leaders out there and technical leaders out there, right? Brands are dealing with their customer data right now, hopefully in a very safe and ethic way. But for fashion industry, where do you see this personalization and customer relationship will kick off in the next decade, maybe?
It definitely, it's all about the user experience, and what the hyper personalization is really wonderful, how it can be customized to your needs in the metaverse. And I really like that. You can dress up your avatar. You can make your avatar. the dimensions, the measurements and everything, there is software available now that you can actually dress up your avatar and even shape your avatar in proportion to your own body. It's amazing. And so the hyper-personalization is only going to get more. And I see that we're going to lose the goggles and we're going to be immersed with this whole thing. I already see the ring, a ring that you can imagine it, and it shows up in front of you in AR, or virtual reality. It's just amazing where we're going to go. It's definitely personalized. Another thing, talking about the hyper personalization, I also see the non-fungible tokens. It's more of a belonging as well. The non-fungible tokens that are part of the metaverse shopping experience, and it's a collectible thing, and it's something I feel that's part of the personalization as well, because you belong more to a club like in the metaverse, and you have, in a way, once you're able to design your own avatars close, you get a token for it, and it's part of the whole spiel in the metaverse. I see it that way. It's totally personalized experience and a wonderful immersive experience.